Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mystic Tarot. I'm starting monthlies for all the zodiac since this is the month of Cancer. So I will start from the zodiac sign Cancer. These are the monthly readings. Let's start and see what kind of messages are there for the Cancer people for the month of July. This is a general read. It may or may not resonate with everyone. So let's start. Sun, Three of Cups, Six of Pentacles, Strength, Chariot, Page of Cups, King of Swords, King of Cups, Eight of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, and bottom of the deck, Six of Cups. Okay ji, so what is the situation? Let me tell you guys that I'm not focusing on particularly relationships or career matters. I'm just trying to get messages. Whatever needs to be come, it will be on the table, and I will try to explain you guys with the respect of both relationship and career. Now situation is looking very happy over here for the Cancer people. I have the happiest card of the deck, the Sun over here. Things are looking pretty well for you guys. You are going to have some sort of very good news. It can be anything for you which really matter to you. For example, it can be a news of a baby, even if you want to conceive. It is also possible that you get some sort of good news from a person to whom you are missing, or someone from your past, because bottom of the deck I have Six of Cups. Now is the time that you will get together with the same person again. I feel in the very bottom of this situation, Six of Pentacle with the card is Six of Pentacle. So there is a possibility that in the past you guys are not having that much communication, and there was some sort of either miscommunication, or at least one of you is trying to give bit of importance or attention to the other person. In this scenario, I see the person you are dealing with might be not interested to give you much time in the past, and you have spent your previous months in this struggle. You really put an strict effort to control your emotions and feelings, not to get angry on the person to whom you are dealing with. But now is the time that things are started moving forward. I have very good cards for you in this sense, because in your mind, in your thoughts, I have Chariot, which shows that whatever sort of hurdles or hindrances you have in your life, either it is in the relationship sector or something related to your career or money matters, whatever kind of situation, whatever kind of difficulties, whatever kind of hurdles you have, you are determined to achieve your goal. You are determined to achieve your aim. Whatever it is there in your mind, you are determined to achieve that. So it is a very good card in that sense, that you have high hopes of achieving your goals and aims, and it's not that you are only thinking of getting something, or you are only imagining of attaining something. It's not that. You are putting effort to achieve something in your life. This can be true in finances as well. Maybe in the past you are on the help that will be given from someone else, and you weren't in a good position financially, but after struggling after working a lot, after struggling a lot, after having this sort of ambitiousness in your mind, now it is the time to get or to achieve whatever you have in your mind already. You might be getting some sort of good news in that sense, or it can be a new start or a new beginning. It can be even a new phase in your life as well. Now, on the other hand, what I can see from your personality, on the other hand, I can see a very commanding authority right now, which Cancer people have with them. It is an energy of a king. On one hand, you are able to attain this clarity which King of Swords have, and this cruel coldness as well. You are totally detached with your emotions. This can be due to the past situation, because maybe you have seen very bad money days, or you have been ignored a lot from some loved one. So this has made you cold and cruel to some extent. You are completely, utterly detached from your emotions. I can see that someone is coming to give you some sort of small love offer. It can be a message of love, if it can be a message of care, it can be simple hello, hi, with the clue or the hint of the care the other person is having in their heart. But somehow you are not tuned in this frequency with the same person. You see, these two are totally looking in different directions. So all this situation has made you like you are just ready to control your emotions. Whatever going inside your head, whatever going inside your mind, whatever sort of emotions, whatever sort of turmoil is going on inside you, you are still sitting on the same position, very stubborn, or trying to behave like a stronger or stubborn person. But in your mind and thoughts, fears, hopes and fears, you have this fear that situation is not turning into your favor. There is some sort of hindrances or delays or problems which has created this feeling in yourself. You are not able to see anything, you are not able to act upon, but I feel this can be a temporary situation, because there are planetary conditions and situations going on. Sky is not helpful these days for all of us. We have Mercury retrograde over here, we have a big aspect going on between Pluto and Jupiter as well. So it's not unusual, it's not unexpected to feel like this. It's not a big thing, I feel. It's just a temporary phase, and if you try to look around, you will find some way out with regard to your problem. At the end of the reading, I can see Wheel of Fortune. I feel situation is going to turn into a better one from this situation very soon, as I have mentioned earlier, because you are putting a lot of effort, because you already have done a lot of work in the past as well. So there are bright chances for you to that situation will turn into your favor, first of all. Secondly, I feel that as Jupiter is going back in its own sign, that is Sagittarius, so possibility is there that majority of you are going to get some sort of benefit from that planetary aspect, depending upon where Jupiter is placed in your own birth chart. On the bottom of the deck, Six of Cups. Either there is a person coming back to your life, or you are missing someone a lot, or maybe you are missing your past days which are gone, and you are just missing those, or trying to memorize, trying to remember those good old days. This is what I can see. For the clarity purpose, I would like to draw a couple of cards to see how situation will be turning into a better one. I would like to have some sort of further clarity around this Wheel of Fortune. Please guide us. Four of Swords, Nine of Cups, wow, 10 of Cups, beautiful cards. Bottom of the deck, Magician. So very nice, very pretty indication. I feel there is someone from your past, there is someone who is not talking to you, or you are not talking to the same to that person due to some reason. Due to this reason can be anything, as it's not mentioned over here, so I won't be speculating. So person is not talking to you, or you are not talking to the other person, but you are wishing for them, or they are wishing for you. It can be vice versa. And this wish fulfillment card is showing me that your wishes has been granted. And how Wheel of Fortune is turning into, it is turning into 10 of Cups. We'll already have a 10 number, and 10 of Cups, another 10. So 10 shows us that situation is culminating now. Situation is reaching at the final point. And this is very beautifully ending. Someone who is a single person. Person can be very talkative. Person has a very good manifestation skill. Maybe the person is waiting for you, and maybe the person is living far away from your place, and this reality is coming in front of you, and in front of the same person as well, and you can expect to have 2 of Cups as well. Wow, that's really a beautiful reading for you. Okay, so this was it. I hope you will like this reading, Cancers. Please give me some sort of feedback on this. I will see you next month with the next month's reading. Take care. Bye.